Hello and welcome everyone to another series of our webinar here. My name is Melissa Ryder. I am on the sales team at ComputerCare, and today we're going to be discussing how to know when you need to bring an ITAM partner in to support your IT org. We're going to review 4 clear signs that it's time to bring in an expert partner for support. Before we get started, I want to introduce my colleague Jack, who's also joined me on this webinar. Jack, I'll let you talk about 101 of computer care.
Mel, thank you. Hi, everybody. My name is Jack Guida, and as Mel said, I am also on the sales team at ComputerCare. The ComputerCare 101, we wanted to take you through our core services to start off this presentation. The first is IT asset management, where we deliver seamless IT asset management for on-site, hybrid, or fully remote employees. What this entails is us storing your company-owned devices, sending them to new hires or collecting them from users who've left the company, and really giving you a hub to manage and store your assets. The second is we are an authorized repair center for Apple, Lenovo, HP, and Dell. What we mean by authorized is we have the ability to work with the manufacturer warranty, and any warranty repair that we perform is billed directly to the OEM. We can also perform non-warranty repairs as well. Finally, we are an authorized reseller, specifically on the procurement side for Apple, Lenovo, and HP and Dell. These 3 services are really important because they all work together and really designed as giving our customers one point of contact across all IT hardware and IT hardware management.
So with that, we'll get into the 4 kind of indicators that it's time to bring on an ITAM partner. So number 1, limited inventory visibility. So if you're being asked, where is a certain device or what do we own, and you're having to go through, multiple sources, maybe send emails, make an educated guess, it's probably time to bring in an ITAM partner that's going to provide full visibility to all assets at any given point in time, showing you exactly which end user the device is with, the current status of that device, and make it easy to look up, warranty status on that device. The second sign is IT staff doing non-IT work. There's, highly skilled professionals, senior IT leaders that ultimately sometimes end up doing things that was not part of the role, right? And if you're seeing senior IT leaders picking and packing and provisioning devices, that's not the best use of their time. Focusing on things like security and infrastructure innovation is really where the meat of the role lies, and spending time on logistics and shipping devices out is not the most cost effective and oftentimes not part of the original role. So that's another sign to bring in an ITAM partner who can handle the logistics and the shipping and provisioning of devices. The third sign is reactive hardware management. If you're replacing a device only when you're notified by the end user of a break fix situation, and you don't have a refresh strategy set in stone for the organization, that's where an ITAM partner can step in and help identify a repair matrix or a refresh matrix. So it takes sort of the last minute guesswork out of a break fix situation, making sure that you have an inventory in place that's ready to go to fulfill and reduce downtime for the end user when they're in a break fix situation. And you have an inventory ready to deploy when an end user's device is coming to end of life, making sure not only that, again, there's no downtime for the end user, but also ensuring that you're getting kind of the most out of the device, right? I think there's a pretty fine mark when a device is coming towards end of life and there's maybe 6 months left on that warranty. It makes sense to facilitate that device to end of life to ensure that you're getting the most value out of that device when it comes to e-waste. And then the 4th indicator is growth outpacing processes. So if you've experienced hypergrowth and you started at the company, it was originally 50 employees and you had, standards in place to support ITAM, but now you're at 500 employees and there's devices arriving back to headquarters that you really have no idea, or background of where they came from, or, you had a asset manage or asset tracking process in place that lived in a Google sheet, but now, and that worked at 50 employees, but now at 500, that's a very tedious process to maintain. Bringing in an ITAM partner to support that growth makes sense because it helps reduce and refine the processes that, again, maybe worked at 50 employees but cannot support an organization that's now at 500. With that, I will pass it off to Jack to talk about how these four signs kind of impact the true impact to cost.
Thanks, Mel. What these problems actually cost you is time and money. On the time side, if you're spending hours compiling basic reports that should be available on a portal that's easy to access and that you can download, that's certainly something that an ITAM provider like ourselves could help with. If you are spending days waiting for new hire equipment to arrive or don't have proper visibility into tracking when a device is going to arrive, that is another waste of time in terms of ensuring that you have the appropriate stock and visibility on when that new hire is going to get their device. If you are spending weeks of doing warehouse work, such as prepping boxes or printing out labels or receiving devices when they come in, it likely isn't the best use of your senior IT staff, as they should be focused on driving the business forward. If there's delays in strategic initiatives such as refresh projects because the current team doesn't have the bandwidth to execute them based on the fact that they're working on all of the other requests that come their way, that is an indicator that you may not have the best strategy or use of your IT team's time. In terms of money, if you're not having a fully built out solution to purchase equipment from an authorized reseller, you're probably paying premium prices, or you don't get the appropriate specs because you're working on, shorter lead times. In addition, there could be wasted or redundant service plans. We see this a lot specific to, the customers that we support, where tools that are not being used aren't tracked or cataloged. IT salaries spent on doing logistics tasks. A lot of the tasks that we perform are in turn warehousing or logistics tasks, and it likely isn't the best use of their time, which in turn saves you money because they're not, having to spend their time doing those warehouse or logistics tasks. And then lastly is the lost competitive advantage of getting your IT team away from doing all of these warehouse and logistics tasks, limiting their ability to move the business forward. So, in summary, your IT team should be skilled in driving innovation, not moving boxes. What an ITAM partner provides is first speed. We know that urgent things come up, whether it's a late new hire or somebody just spilled coffee on their device. The speed of having a provider like ourselves in terms of executing on a certain request or just giving you real-time access to data has been a huge benefit to our customer base. We have the expertise, and in doing this for 20 years, there's some proven best practices that we can help you set up if you don't have today. And we would love to talk about this specifically, making sure that it's in line with what your business needs now and in the future. We also have a full service program that includes implementation, logistics, and ongoing support. We know that there are strategic initiatives that come up or processes may change, and we want to guide you on the best route to take if that happens. Your IT team, again, should really be freed on what they were hired to do. And I think that's one of the key points in all of this in terms of making sure that they're performing the duties that, again, are going to move the business forward. And partner fees often cause less than internal labor hours saved. And we're happy to, take you through what that actually means for you based on, where your business is today.
So why choose ComputerCare for your ITM needs? I don't think it's been mentioned in this presentation so far, but we do pride ourselves on being known as the human side of hardware. So what does it mean being the human side of hardware? We provide complete lifecycle expertise, so guiding you personally through the five stages of IT asset management, from deployment, provisioning, even ITAD facilitation. We're also an authorized partner, as Jack mentioned before, being both an authorized repair provider and an authorized reseller. We're truly acting as a partner with the OEM, not the middleman. We do have a strategic relationship in place to help not only drive a smooth process through repair, but also be the single point of contact for all your repair and procurement needs in this space. We are optimizing cost from asset value perspective and also total cost of ownership. What that means is we want to repair the devices while they're in warranty, making sure that you're getting the most value out of that asset and also minimizing costs from potential like out of warranty repairs. And also when you go to e-waste a device, making sure we're maximizing the value that you're getting back as an organization. And again, kind of defining the refresh cycle process and repair matrix. From a security and compliance perspective, ComputerCare protects your data and we meet regulatory requirements at every stage. Specifically for highly regulated industries, we're going to meet the security need to manage your business effectively. And we provide certified data destruction and e-waste recycling, providing industry standard end of life management. So, whether you're establishing your first ITAM program or improving an existing one, we have the expertise, again, being in this business for 20 years, to create a unique plan and provide unique advice based on your specific needs. And that is it for our presentation today. Again, if any of those four indicators came up or resonated with you, please reach out to Jack or I. We're not just trying to sell computer care. We really truly want to provide our expertise and provide the advice that you need. And maybe computer care is not the right fit, but we can at least have a discussion and help you, guide you in the right direction for your specific needs. We provided our contact information here on this slide, including our cell phone numbers. So please don't hesitate to reach out. Always happy to have a conversation, and we're just here to help. So thank you.
Thank you.